I started with this company in the year 2000, roughly, and I've been with the company close on 24 years. All the major businesses in Australia have, and the power generation systems have been involved with machine monitor over the 25 years, and most of them pretty much still are. I mean, my background was I was the manager of a big repair house in Wollongong years ago. It had 250 people under me, and they were over 4 different departments: shipping, motor repair, switchboard manufacturer, cable repairs, and just general high voltage service work. So obviously those sort of backgrounds for me gave me the knowledge and experience that I've got over the years. So there's been massive technology advances in the type of test equipment that's available. For instance, they've gone from, like antiquated ways of doing it to modernised electronics. So, yeah, so you need a good compromise between in-house people that can do the analysis correctly and getting in data from remote monitoring, and also having the right team, if you like, that can actually do the site works. A lot of engineers tend to concentrate on one particular task these days. They're not broad spectrum people. Some could be just on transformers. Some might be machines. Some might be, monitoring systems and electronics, right? But our role as machine monitor is to have all those bases covered, and we need a bit of a background in for most of our people in all those areas, so they understand what they're doing. If you walk into a workshop to do a quality audit, the guys in that workshop can pick you in 5 seconds whether you're capable of and understand what they're doing or not. You know what I mean? And that's where the training is in our scenario for those sort of roles is paramount, that they understand what they're doing before they go. We actually have a system where we get the guys in and go through the basics, understand how all the instruments work, and then physically are trained on site on how to run it before they're signed off to be able to do it. So that mentoring, if you like, is a critical part of our process. Most of the people that we've had from over the last the new interns coming in basically have been 85% plus of them have been willing to learn, and most of them have shown a lot of interest in wanting to learn. But it takes a while to get that experience level up. That's the problem. Understand that it's all not going to be roses. There are going to be times when it's a bit difficult. There's going to be times when you feel a bit frustrated. But if you stick with the task and seek assistance, right, from the right people within the organisation, it will be forthcoming and make your particular role more rewarding. I think just being part of the team has been the most rewarding part in my life at Machine Monitor. You've always had someone that could back you up. You are also prepared to back them up if required. And that's been the team structure here has been excellent for as many years as I've been here. We have won several awards for having the best safety system in the industry for a long time, and we're very proud of that.
It looks like you've had more good than bad days since you've hung around for so long.
Well, yeah. I mean, I enjoy what I do. I still enjoy what I do. That's why I guess I'm still working at 75.